I am Democritus. I was born in ancient Greece in 460 BC, and I died in 370 BC. I believe that all matter could be broken down into particles called atomas, or indivisible particles. I believe these atoms look like tiny solar systems, with tiny planets revolving around a tiny sun. But Aristotle discredited my theory, and he said that atoms were only made of the elements fire, water, earth, and air.
But he was wrong!
I am John Dalton. I was born in 1766 and died in 1844. I, like Democritus, believe that all matter is made up of small particles. All atoms of the same element have the same mass, size, and chemical properties. Unlike Democritus, I have physical evidence from my experiments to support my findings.
Hello, and I am J.J. Thomson. In 1897, I used the cathode ray tubes invented by my friend Sir William Crookes to discover the electron and to find the ratio of the mass of the electron to the electrical charge. I used this to discover my model of the atom, known as the plum pudding model. Jeez, working on these atoms all day, every day, just gets me so tired. I'm thirsty.
How about a nice cold glass of soda, my friend?
Whoa, no way! What is this?
Coca-Cola!
What is Coca-Cola?
It's the greatest thing in the world!
No way! I have to try this. Ah, amazing! Coca-Cola. The drink of science.
Levi Heath here on ESPN. We bring you today Albert Einstein with his great sportsmanship. But we're not talking about sports today. No, we're talking about the atom and some of the things that pertain to it. Specifically, Mr. Einstein here.
Oh, yes.
His formula.
Oh, yes. My formula. My formula. Oh, it's so wonderful.
What is your formula?
Oh, it is E equals MC squared, my friend.
Well, what does the E and the MC squared stand for?
You do not know? Are you kidding me?
Well, for all those viewers out there.
Oh, I guess I could tell you. I guess. Of course. Of course, E equals energy, which equals MC squared. And MC squared means mass times the velocity of light squared.
Oh, that's very interesting. Now, how about a couple of personal questions?
Personals? I don't know if I like where this is going, sir.
I was just gonna ask you where you were born.
Oh, I was born in 1879 in Germany.
Oh.
The great motherland!
So, when'd you die then?
Death. I died in 1955. Such a sad day.
And also, did you not help and assist the United States in the Manhattan Project?
Of course I helped them, but I know not what they use it for. The crazy fools.
My name is Robert Millikan. In 1909, I expanded on J.J. Thomson's discovery of the charge-to-mass ratio of an electron and measured the exact electrical charge of the mass of an electron through my oil drop experiment. In 1923, I received the Nobel Prize for Physics. Hello, I am Ernest Rutherford. In 1911, I used a lead block to emit atoms in a piece of gold foil. The majority of the atoms went through the foil, but the ones that did not bounced off the gold foil because their nucleus hit the gold foil. Through this experiment, I discovered protons and that the nucleus is very dense. And these protons are in the nucleus!
Hello, I'm Niels Bohr, and this is my atom model that I made in 1913 by relating the electron's arrangement and the atom's chemical properties. The electrons are here and all over there. And they surround the very dense proton-filled nucleus. The electrons move around in very fast motions, creating an electron cloud.
At morn, at noon, at twilight dim, Maria, thou hast heard my hymn. In joy and woe, in good and ill, Mother of God, be with me still. Oh, sorry. I was reading. I wasn't expected to be rudely interrupted. Well, since you have my attention, I might as well talk to you now. First of all, let's start. I'm James Chadwick. I was born in 1891 and died in the year 1974. I discovered that the nucleus contains another subatomic particle, and that it's called the neutron, and that unlike the positively charged proton and the negatively charged electron, the neutron has no charge. Well, in 1932, for the same discovery and for all my studies, I was nominated for a Nobel Peace Prize.
In 1939, the United States launched the Manhattan Project. This project's purpose was to research nuclear weapons. Through this project, the atomic bomb was made. The atomic bomb works by splitting an atom of uranium into two parts, thus emitting 100 million plus volts of energy.
We interrupt this broadcast to blow your mind. Woo! Why you have my super ultra mega atomic suit that sends 1 million volts of pure electrons glowing through your veins. Woo! Beware of some imitators.
Billy Mays here with another fantastic...
With only 4 easy payments of $8.99.99, you can be this beast too. Wah! With this super ultra mega atomic suit, remember, you can.
Warning, may contain anocornocova.
Hello, I'm Murray Gelman. In 1963, I introduced my quark theory. In this theory, it states that atoms can be broken down past just neutrons and protons. That is due to the fact that protons and neutrons themselves can be broken down even further. These particles are called quarks. Currently, I'm studying the evolution of human language at Santa Fe Institute.
I'm JJ Thompson. Hello, I'm JJ Thompson. Oh, you caught me in the midst of studying up on some poetry. Well, anyways, in 1897, I discovered the electron by using the cathode ray tube that Sir William Crookes invented. Not only that, but I also discovered the ratio of the mass of an electron to its energy. Electrical charge. Just kidding. Anyways, my atomic theory, my atomic model, I should say, was called the plum model because of the way it was shaped like pudding.
The mortal body had been at length. Oh, hello. I'm JJ Thompson. You seem to have caught me while I was catching up on some poetry. Well, let me talk to you about myself. First of all, in 1897, that is, I used the cathode ray tubes that were invented by Sir William Crookes to not only discover the electron, but to also find the ratio of the mass of an electron to its electrical charge. My model of the atom is known as the plum pudding model because of its full shape.
Hello, Governor. I'm James Chadwick, and I was born in 1891 and died in 1974. Sorry, I wasn't expected to be rudely interrupted. Well, I guess since you have my attention, I might as well talk to you now. Well, I was born in 1891.
You didn't say your name.